Click on the link below to get price. The Ideal-Air Pro Series Dehumidifier 60 Pint is a robust commercial-grade appliance designed for those who need serious moisture control in workshops and similar environments. Right out of the box, the unit impresses with its solid construction and user-friendly design. The first thing you'll notice is its compact, portable structure, which makes it easy to maneuver across different spaces, essential for larger workshops or areas with varying humidity levels. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive capacity, capable of removing up to 60 pints of moisture from the air per day. This capability is particularly beneficial in environments where humidity can affect tools, materials, and overall air quality. I found that it works exceptionally well in controlling mustiness, which is a common issue in basements and workshops, creating a much more pleasant working environment. The operation is straightforward, with an intuitive control panel that allows you to set your desired humidity level. The built-in hygrometer ensures accurate readings, and the automatic shutoff feature provides peace of mind, preventing overflow. The continuous drainage option is a significant advantage, allowing you to connect a hose for hassle-free operation without the need to frequently empty the water tank. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a unit of this size, making it suitable for prolonged use without being a distraction. The energy efficiency of the Ideal-Air dehumidifier is also commendable. It consumes relatively little power while delivering excellent performance, which can help keep operating costs down in the long run. Overall, the Ideal-Air Pro Series Dehumidifier 60 Pint is a reliable and efficient solution for anyone needing to tackle high humidity in a commercial setting. Its combination of performance, user-friendly features, and durability makes it a worthy investment. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this dehumidifier will undoubtedly enhance your workspace by maintaining optimal humidity levels. Highly recommended for anyone serious about moisture control.